Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by granting high-accuracy location permission and selecting the file format you need: GPX for full track detail, CSV for tables, or KML for mapping. Next, set the sampling rate, 1 second for precise routes, 5 or 30 seconds to save battery. Make sure to pick a storage folder with enough space. Low storage breaks logs. Once done, press the record button and watch the app acquire satellites. You will see a fix indicator when it starts. You now configure background logging so tracking continues when the screen locks. Grant the app lock screen permission and disable battery optimizers for reliability. Then set auto split by distance or time, add activity tags for later filtering, and enable distance filters to avoid noisy points. Monitor the real-time accuracy metric and battery drain. If you see drift or rapid drain, make sampling less frequent and switch to GPS-only mode. Once configured, start a session and confirm timestamps and coordinates are updating. You finish by exporting your session in the chosen format and naming it with date and trip ID. This prevents overwrites. Then back up immediately, upload to cloud or move to SD. Enable auto-sync to avoid data loss. If you find gaps or jitter, merge segments and apply smoothing, because interpolation can restore missing points while preserving timestamps. Troubleshoot. If logs stop mid-run, check battery optimizer, background permission, and storage. Restart the app and re-import partial files if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.